Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna be doing another unboxing video. I've got this pretty big package here. It should contain a PS1 and some games. So let's get started and see what's inside. So another box inside the box right here. Let's just try to cut this open. Okay. The box is open. Everything looks neatly packed, so let's get started. So, a lot of bubble wrap. Actually, it is wrapped really nicely. Here we can see some games. They're wrapped really nicely. Here, probably some more games. Some kind of a booklet. Okay, more packages. Jesus, there's a lot of them. More. Just gotta put the box down. There's the console itself. Yeah. So as you can see, everything's really nicely wrapped. I paid I don't remember now, but I think somewhere around 30 or 35 pounds for this lot. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so I'm not sure actually how to start with this one, but here it goes. It's wrapped really nicely, so goods should have been damaged in transit, and it's always a risk, especially I'm living over not in the UK, so I have to have my goods reshipped, and sometimes they get damaged, so that's nice. So okay, here we have the power cord and the video adapter with the SCART adapter on it. So yeah, this thing also dropped out, so I don't know why there's two, but that's fine. Okay, so let's just put that in the box. Let's do some games now. So, okay, I can see some already. Just open it. Let's see what we got here. Just move this aside to give you guys a better view. Yeah, it's quite challenging actually to unwrap it. So, but yeah, it's better like this than the items just dropped in the box. So, because I usually get the boxes broken or something like that, so this type of packaging is real good. So okay, managed to get the first one out. Okay, move this aside, move this to the side, move that there. Okay, so the first game is V-Rally. Yeah, the box, as you can see, didn't survive well, but let's just try to see if everything's there. Yep, game is there, manual's there, so that's good. Moving on, it's Bubble. Okay, the box itself has also seen better days, but the manual and the disc is also there, so that is also nice. This one is music. Not sure actually what it is. Make shockingly good music. Okay, so it's some kind of music creation software for the PlayStation, I guess. If you guys know what it is, just try to tell me in the comments, because I have never seen anything like this before, so will be interesting to find out. So another one is Dune, the classic edition for the PlayStation. The box itself feels pretty light. Yeah, so there's no manual, but I'm not sure the classic editions comes with the manual, so that's probably fine. Okay, so Final Doom. As you can see, it has the £3 price tag, so sometime around it was quite cheap, but as far as I know, this is quite expensive nowadays. So yeah, the manual is present and the disc is also there, so it's not a platinum edition, so that's also nice. Another one is Crash Bandicoot, the double-decker game. Also yeah, the manual's there. Also, the disc is there, and the, oh, there are a lot of discs actually. Okay, so yeah, this is probably some other game that doesn't belong here. Yeah, probably it is like this, so we need to check that and see if it's, yeah, because it's 2 games for Crash Bandicoot, and yeah, and the other one just probably some random disc, but that's fine. Okay, so moving on, another disc box. Just get it open. Okay, there's something interesting here. What's this? Let's try to check this out. Okay, so it's some kind of a exclusive demo disc, I guess. Yeah, it's the official PlayStation magazine disc. So yeah, there's 1, there's 2. Yeah, there are a lot of them. I don't think they were in the description of this PlayStation. It's Final Fantasy VII demo disc also. Yeah, I don't usually come across demo discs because in the place where I live we didn't have them, I think. So yeah, okay, another game is Grudge Warriors. Also, the disc and the manual is present, so that's good. So moving on, 007 Tomorrow Never Dies, the Platinum Edition, also has no manual. No, sorry, it does have a manual, just very thin. But the game inside is 007 Racing, so I guess this is the wrong disc inside. Yeah, because it's clearly not the game on the poster, but we'll have to check that out later. So, Die Hard Trilogy, yeah, the box is pretty beat up, but here you can see, yeah, the manual is very thick. That's nice, actually. Okay, so moving on, Star Wars for the PlayStation 1. Yeah, the manual is also present. The game is also there, and it seems like the disc is right this time, so that's good. Okay, so WWF Attitude, some wrestling game. The box is bent, but yeah, it's fine. It opens like this. Then the manual is also present, and the disc is also there, so that's good. Okay, so moving on to another batch. Let's just cut this. Yeah, it's packaging like this is really difficult to get through it, but I hope I don't damage anything by accident. But okay, so here we have the controller. I think it's not a genuine PlayStation controller. Yeah, some, I don't know, some generic brand controller. So yeah, let's put that aside for now. A PlayStation, I think this was, yeah, this is the original controller, but it's kind of old because it doesn't have the analog sticks, but yeah, we'll need to check that later. Okay, so moving on, another pile of games. Let's crack this open. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, some more games. That's nice. Okay, so just cut here. Okay, so first one is Tomb Raider 3. Replacement software case, back of 3. Okay, never seen this before, but that looks interesting. Okay, so here's Tomb Raider. Has some warning. If this label is broken, you must purchase this game. Okay, so it's probably some kind of a former rental game, I guess. Okay, moving on. Simpsons Wrestling. The game is, the manual is present. Yeah, Simpsons Wrestling, so also the game is present, that's good. Okay, so moving forward, Rainbow Six. Also some kind of a mail thing. The strategy guide, Okay, and the disc itself. So everything's present, looks good. Then Ready to Rumble boxing. It's also from Blockbuster, so I'd imagine it's also former rental. Yeah, but this doesn't have any stickers on the game. Manual's also present, so that's also good. So next game is Street Skater. Also the classics version does have the manual, and the disc in the box seems to be the correct one. Another disc here is World's Scariest Police Chases. So the box is a bit beat up, but yeah, the manual's here, the game is there also, so let's just set this aside for now. So the last thing is South Park. I don't think this also was in the list, but yeah, I'm not sure if this is the original box, probably not, because yeah, there's no back picture, but the disc is there, and I don't think it was in the description, so that's like a free bonus. Okay, so another package. I'm not sure what's inside of it, but let's check this out. Okay, there's something really weird here, actually. Okay, what's that? Okay, that's Sega Worldwide Soccer for PC. Okay, yeah, so that's some probably found, or the sellers found the other gaming related stuff and just bundle this in, but I don't really play PC games. Okay, so here we can see some manuals for the theme park for PlayStation. FIFA 99. Another manual. I think when I unboxed the game it had a platinum manual, so I think it may be good to switch them up. Okay, so a lot of spare manuals here also, so if I ever buy a game without a manual, then I might turn out lucky. And then a cake box of CDs, and it's also PlayStation games, and there's a loads of them, so this lot was really nice actually. Yeah, as you can see, Point Blank Demo, PlayStation Magazine, Croc 2, PlayStation Magazine discs, another. Okay, so this wasn't on the listing, so that's just pure luck for me, because yeah, it's like free games, so who doesn't like free games? So yeah. Oh, I think some of the manuals are for the games that are inside here, so yeah, there's a lot of those games and I won't go through them all, but that's really nice. So I've got really my money worth on this lot, so because yeah, I don't know, it's like 20 games or something like that, so, and they weren't listed, so that's really nice. And the last thing here is the PlayStation console itself. Let's crack it open, but I'm not sure it's really interesting, because I'm not sure it's the fat PlayStation model, the SCPH 9002, so it's one of the later ones. Something's rattling inside, so we'll need to see if that works. Yeah, the disc tray opens and closes. Yeah, so all in all, I think it's in decent condition, but I will still have to clean it up and test it out later to see if it's nice and working. So if you liked this video, subscribe to my channel. Make a comment below if you want something for me to buy and unbox and review, and see you next time. Thanks, bye.